Past simple o'tgan oddiy zamon strukturasi. Darak gap. Subject plus verb to ed plus object. She played football yesterday. U kecha futbol o'ynadi. Minus gap. Subject plus didn't plus verb plus object. He didn't wash the car yesterday. U kecha mashinani yuvmadi. So'roq gap. Did plus subject plus verb plus object. Did you go to the cinema yesterday? Sen kecha kinoga bordingmi? When and where do we use it? Qachon va qayerda ishlatamiz? Birinchi holat. O'tgan zamonda boshlanib, aniq vaqtda tugagan ishlar uchun ishlatamiz. I ate an apple yesterday. Men kecha olma yedim. Ikkinchi holat. O'tgan zamonda qayta-qayta sodir bo'lgan voqealar uchun ishlatamiz. When I was a child, I went to school every day. Men bolaligimda maktabga har kuni borardim. Uchinchi holat. O'tgan zamonda bir nechta voqea haqida gapirsak, biz past simple zamonni ishlatamiz. Yesterday I woke up, had breakfast and went to school. Men kecha uyg'onib nonushta qildim va maktabga bordim. Keywords, kalit so'zlari. Yesterday kecha, last week o'tgan hafta, in 2021 2021 yilda, on 2nd April 2 aprelda.